This is not just a lamp. This is the Dust and Pollution Air Purifier. An air purifier integrated in a hanging lamp with the highest grade HEPA filter combined with activated carbon and UVC light. Thanks to the filtration efficiency of 99.995%, there's a significant reduction in environmental dust, bacteria, pollen, aerosols, and unpleasant smells. The filter surface is disinfected from aerosols, bacteria, and viruses by the integrated UVC light. With the innovative design, the cleaned and compressed air flows out 360 degrees at a speed of 4 to 8 meters per second. The cleaned air therefore circulates very efficiently throughout the room. The integrated laser particle sensor precisely measures the air quality in real time and automatically adjusts the fan speed when you activate the auto mode in order to keep your indoor air quality clean and healthy. The Dust and Pollution Air Purifier is controlled via smartphone or tablet. Air quality, humidity and temperature and all other information of the device are displayed in real time on the Dust and Pollution Air Purifier app. In addition, different particle concentrations from 0.5 to 10 microns are displayed. A manual and an automatic mode are available for the fan speed. The auto mode controls the fan depending on the air quality of the room. The UV lamp radiation can be switched on to disinfect the filter surface. In addition, the app notifies you of the filter status so that you are notified to replace the filter at the right time. You also have full control over the lighting of the device. 3 LED rings on top, middle and bottom of the device can be optimally adjusted independent of one another in terms of light intensity and color temperature, according to your desired lighting condition. This is Dust and Pollution Air Purifier Lamp. Innovation made in Germany.